Hey, good afternoon, and welcome to the first edition of Fridays with Ferber, which we hope will be a reoccurring series and part of staying in the loop with the Ferber Group. That's not cheesy, is it?
Not at all.
Go
with it.
All right, Angie came up with that.
Yeah.
So I'm here today with John Thomson, owner of Armor Insurance and Financial. John is a guru in the world of Medicare and healthcare plans, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Guru is the right word.
You just found me outside.
Come on,
You needed to fill a role.
Yeah, well, to each their own.
Right.
But no, seriously, John is a great guy, and the reason that I'm here on video with him, it stems from a conversation Angie and I had a few months back. Basically, how we can provide more value to our friends and family. She reminded me how many great people like yourself we have in our world. So I asked John here today to answer some questions I have on Medicare and healthcare, and really fun, interesting topics. I know you are going to be really pleased to hear what John has to say, right?
Absolutely.
All right. So let's start off. You've been in this industry for quite some time now, right?
Right. I'm going on 21 years.
Wow, that's awesome. What do you like best about working with people and helping them shop for Medicare and healthcare plans?
To be honest with you, I enjoy meeting people from all different small businesses and entrepreneurs. I'm an entrepreneur myself, so I feed off of other people who are successful, who've taken the bull by the horns to start their own business. That's exciting to me. And if I'm just one aspect of that, I'm happy to be part of that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Could I also say that you enjoy helping people because you've helped me along the way? I know that for a fact.
Yeah, absolutely. Because health insurance, there's nothing fun and sexy about health insurance at all. It's a necessity that we have to have.
Absolutely.
If I can make that the most efficient, if I can be the most efficient way for you to get health insurance for yourself or for a small business, then I enjoy doing that.
That's great.
Yeah.
So a topic that a lot of people find confusing, I know I do or have, Medicare, right? Your experience, what's a mistake that people make when shopping a Medicare plan?
Yeah. So the problem right now with open enrollment here, because we're in the middle of open enrollment, people are being bombarded by sales agents and companies. They can't escape it from TV. They're getting texts now. It's hard to imagine our grandparents getting text messages and them replying. They're literally being bombarded by this everywhere they turn. So picking a plan just because they see it's a $0 premium can be a mistake if their doctors aren't in network, or if they travel a ton and they have a home in Florida. It might not be the best approach.
So what's something, let's just say I'm approaching Medicare. You kind of touched on a few things, but what's one thing I should go into it thinking like, okay, I need to be conscious of this when shopping a Medicare plan?
If you're going to go with an Advantage plan, you have to know your prescriptions.
Okay.
One size doesn't fit all. And so it's really important to have an agent who's going to run your prescriptions, and not an agent that's affiliated with one company. You're better to find a broker who can shop all the companies, because there's great systems that we can plug prescriptions into, and they'll tell us what plan you should be on.
Okay.
But if you get a call from XYZ company, you're going to be limited to what XYZ company offers you.
Gotcha.
And you might not realize that ABC company is actually better for you.
Okay. And you obviously can help people.
Right.
Cool. So let's kind of switch from Medicare to healthcare, which is something that pertains to two of us. Small business owner, young family, what should I be looking for in a healthcare plan?
So the most important thing on that is, are the doctors and hospitals that you want to utilize, that your family's already utilizing, are in network.
Okay.
If you're buying an individual policy, unfortunately with the Affordable Health Care Act, they went to HMOs. Okay. And you're really buying hospital and doctor network.
Gotcha.
So if you doctors are in Cleveland Clinic, but the lowest price plan is at UH, you might not be happy with the option, the doctors you have, if you have a relationship, because your doctors are at Cleveland Clinic and you bought a UH plan.
Got it. Okay. All right. So then let's say I'm a business owner with a lot of employees.
Sure.
What should I be looking for that?
whether or not you're new into buying group health insurance or have an existing health insurance plan, group health insurance is different. You have the capability to have a PPO network. You can go to any doctor, any hospital for the most part. So in that situation, it's really good just to get multiple quotes from different companies because the market's competitive. If you're working with the right person, they'll be able to almost pit the companies against each other to make sure you get the best rate.
Awesome. And how do you fit into that? What value can you provide to someone versus, say, working with the same person that gave them their home and auto or whatever the case might be?
So a home and auto person is typically a home and auto person. That's what they're way more knowledgeable on that than I am. Where have been focusing on health insurance for a couple of years, and that's my forte.
Okay.
Come to me. I can pull quotes from all the major companies. It's a one-stop shop for getting
all this service you need for that. Okay, awesome. So where are you located?
In Elyria.
In Elyria. All right. Best way for people to get a hold of you?
Yeah, phone call or text, shoot an email, whatever you need to do.
Okay. So don't worry. I will include John's contact information in the email following this video. John, thanks a lot, man. We made it through, right?
Right.
Simple?
It's exciting. As exciting as health insurance can be.
Yeah. Well, I've had enough. But anyways, so again, man, thanks again. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
happy Thanksgiving, everyone out there. And we will see you next time on Fridays with Ferber. Take care.